Okay, I'm sure I'm not alone here. I suffer from various aches and pains. A sore back, a stiff neck, tennis elbow, headaches. Even the occasional hangover. The list just seems to grow. As if that wasn't enough, I'm feeling more stress and anxiety than ever before. Between inconvenient visits to the doctor and prescriptions, the bills add up so quickly. And to be honest, I'm really not into becoming reliant on prescription pills. Still, I tried just about everything, starting with ibuprofen. It worked a little, but soon after I needed it more and more often, and I also quickly needed to increase the dosage amount. It was getting out of hand. Then I learned how damaging it can be to my kidneys and heart. As for aspirin, it wasn't nearly as effective, and the side effects I read about were equally troubling. No thanks. Then came all the promises of CBD. I had to try it. It sounded like a miracle. But here's what I soon learned. First of all, it's confusing. How much am I supposed to take? The milligram concentration per bottle seemed inconsistent. What kind did I need to take? Do I get full spectrum or isolate? What does that even mean? Next, there are literally 1,000 brands. I didn't know which one to take. On top of all that, the expense was crazy high. To get a decent middle-of-the-road CBD, I was looking at $80 a month at a minimum. Fair enough, I suppose, but when I read that the effects can take up to 15 or even 30 days, no way. I need relief now. Like, right now. Thankfully, I finally found the right solution. It's called Bounce-Bak. Bounce-Bak is not CBD. It contains exactly 0 THC and is 100% legal across the globe. By the way, THC is the stuff that produces a high. That may sound fun at first, but even trace amounts can show up on a drug test. Thankfully, that's not an option with Bounce-Bak. You see, Bounce-Bak offers many of the same benefits of CBD without actually being CBD. This proprietary CBD alternative consisting of food-grade MCT oil and potent terpenes quickly delivers the relief I need. It's 100% organic and is responsibly sourced, formulated, and bottled in the US. It is priced at less than half of what a low-grade CBD oil would cost. If you don't know what a terpene is, that's okay. I didn't either. But you soon will. Ongoing research continues to celebrate the wonderful health benefits of terpenes. Basically, a terpene is a molecule derived from very specific plants and flowers. From lavender, to mangoes, to pine, to black pepper, and hundreds of other familiar plants, terpenes are the aromatic compounds that react favorably with the body's endocannabinoid system. It is the amazing endocannabinoid system that regulates pain, inflammation, anxiety, stress, and more. In a nutshell, terpenes, while also present in CBD, are often lost in the CBD extraction process. But, because terpenes are extremely effective on their own, CBD is not necessary. Bounce-Bak utilizes only the power of the terpene to deliver to you quick relief from a litany of ailments. Today, I am feeling much better than I have in a long time. The red bottle Max Relief has reduced my pain significantly, decreased inflammation, and successfully fought off a Sunday morning hangover. The blue bottle of Max Relax allows me a much-needed afternoon chill-out, where the stresses of the day fade away. My friends have noticed a difference too. I am told that I'm a lot more like my old self. I'm taking that as a huge compliment. It's comforting to know that I have a solution that is all natural, effective, and affordable. Just remember, Bounce-Bak is not CBD. It just acts similarly to CBD. There is no cannabis, no hemp, and therefore no THC present in Bounce-Bak. Just the awesome power of plants. So don't be held captive by pain or stress. I encourage you to try Bounce-Bak for yourself and feel better faster.